Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to review the camera on Xolo X900 Lava phone, which has an Intel processor inside. This phone comes with an 8 megapixel camera with an LED flash at the back. So we are going to review the camera on this phone, the back camera on this phone, basically the 8 megapixel camera. This phone comes with Android 2.3 out of the box, but it is upgradable to ice cream sandwich. However, the ice cream sandwich version for this phone has not been released from Lava till now. They are planning to release the Android ice cream sandwich for this phone in the third quarter of this year. So let me just launch the camera application. Here we have the camera application. This is how the camera interface actually looks like. Pretty much basic interface if we compare it with other phones. In case you want to toggle to the front camera, if you tap over here you will be able to toggle it. This is basically has been toggled to video mode right now. You can see there are two icons. One is for the video and another is for toggling the front and back camera. So first of all we will take this to the camera mode. Now you have to tap slightly at this point to actually toggle to the front camera. Now we have the front camera. This is how the front camera looks like. The front camera is 720p and the back camera records the video in 1080p high definition video. Let me just take a look over the camera options in the camera UI. These are all the options which are there in the camera application on Xolo X900. So this one is for toggling in between the 8 megapixel mode, the FPS mode, the burst shot mode. You can shoot a large number of images with this particular phone using the camera. Here you have the quality, you can set the quality to super fine. Then you have the different kind of scene modes, which is auto, sports, portrait, landscape, night. You can also enable the touch to focus on this phone. This is right now enabled, so whenever you touch anywhere it will try to focus on that part of the screen. However, whenever you touch anywhere on the screen, it will always focus in the center of the screen only, irrespective wherever you have tapped on the screen. So you can change this particular settings over here. You can toggle to the macro mode, the infinity mode and the auto mode. Here we have the white balance, for different kind of situations when you have different kind of lighting. You have the exposure settings over here. Then you have the flash which is right now turned off. You can set it to auto on, or you can also use the flash on this phone as a torch if you toggle over here, if you tap over here basically. These are the different color effects which you can apply while taking pictures on this phone. The different color effects you can apply so that you can have different kind of photos using the same camera application. These are the ISO settings which you can change if you want to. This is the preview icon with which you can preview all the images which you have captured. This is one image which we have captured in daylight using the camera onto this phone. The pictures from this phone are of pretty much average quality. I can show you this video as well, which I recorded with this phone using the back camera onto this phone. This is one video which we recorded during daylight using the back camera. The video is pretty much clear. However, it is not very much clear if you transfer it to your computer. It is looking very nice on the phone, but when you transfer this video to your computer you will see the difference. and there is no zooming support when you record a video with this phone using the back camera. You cannot zoom. So that was one thing which we noticed and we didn't like that. Apart from this, we can just demo you how does the camera actually behaves when we take the photo. Let me just take a photo. So this phone has a dedicated camera key over here as well, with which you can take the photo. These are some of the pictures which we have taken using the back camera onto this phone. This is one picture which I have taken on my work desk in my office. This is another picture. So if you notice, basically whatever the pictures which you have captured from this phone, once you zoom the picture, basically you will see the grains on that photo. The photo will not be very clear. You won't be able to read the object in detail when you zoom the pictures which have been taken from this phone using the back camera. This is another picture. So if I zoom in, you can see the text is actually blurred. Even the camera onto this phone is 8 megapixel, but it is not very much clear if you want to capture the object in detail. This is another photo which we have captured. So that's all from us regarding the review of the camera on Xolo X900, the 8 megapixel camera. Thank you. Thanks for watching.